freak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Today. So Vlogust day 2, except for it's the same day. It's still Saturday. I'm going to do like a weekend vlog because Sunday I was supposed to do a reflection video on 30 bags 30 days. So I don't know. So just chilling in the bed here with hubby doing laundry while he was taking a nap. He's reading a book. And we just really like how the sun shines in the windows this time of day. The room's really nice. Don't you like that, baby? Yeah. It's giving it a thumbs up. Where's your thumbs up? So I was doing, you saw I was doing chores and stuff, and then I started my budget. I didn't do a budget last month. That's like the first time in a while I haven't done that. So I did that now. I can show you a little bit of it, sort of, kind of. Let's see. Okay, so covering up the numbers and all. So this, I have to lie. It's August. I do not know why I wrote that. Oh my gosh. So Yeah, I just have general categories here. I do not break all. Alright, so I will show you groceries. So my budget is $800 a month for groceries. I know that's a lot for 2 people, some people think, but we eat a lot of fresh fruits and veggies, and this also includes paper goods, shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. So, usually. all that stuff. So I just write down, here's my budget. And then this says actual, but I crossed it out and have balance. So I have a running balance. I like to know what is left. So I went to Publix twice so far this month. I put the amount, and then this is the balance, and so I know how much is left at the end of the month or whatever. Each week I know how much is left. And then I just put the date over here. And I do the same thing for, let's see. Okay, and I budget $250 a month for auto. And that includes gas, insurance, and any repairs and stuff. So if there is some amount of money left over at the end of the month, then that goes to, actually it just goes to the savings. I want to say it carries over to the next month, but that's not really how it happens, but in theory. So if I only spend $200 this month and I need $300 next month because I needed some kind of repair, then the extra is there. But that's how it works in theory. It does it all of my extra amount of money just goes right into the savings account, and I keep the savings account at a certain, I don't know how to explain it. I have to do a whole nother video for this. I keep a certain amount in there to pull from if needed to pay for things. I don't know. And then the rest of that goes to long-term savings. So I guess it's emergency. I guess I would, if you did like the Dave Ramsey, that kind of goes to emergency. Yeah. Okay, so my budget list clipboard is done. And I got my chore list. This is like my everyday chore list. My daily chores that I got going. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't. Since I'm doing Vlogust, I'm going to try to use this more. This is going to start tomorrow, though. I'm not going to bother to start a list just for today. So these are the major things that I want to do throughout the day. I want to do it in the morning, but it doesn't always happen. Make the bed, clean the kitchen, straighten the whole house, straighten my office, laundry. Yard work's not going to be every day, but then I'll just check off when I do it. And vacuum or mop. And that's not going to be every day. And then declutter something, and I'll just check. That's not going to be every day either. These are every day, and I'll just check off when I do them. That's my checklist. And this is, I mentioned in another video, this is from Clutterbug. This is actually a kid's chore list, but I like how big it is, and I like to check things off. It just works for me. I didn't know what to tell you. It just works. Alright, you can hear the laundry is still going. So, working on that. The laundry room needs cleaned up. Okay, I need a hair dye. Something awful. So, I'm just going to sit here with hubby for a little bit. Probably edit this current video, believe it or not. I always just, like, try not to wait to the end till I'm done filming to edit. I like to edit as I go. And then we're going to go out for a little bit. We're going to wait till it cools off. What time is it, honey?
5:24.
Oh, it's 5:30, so... you gotta take a shower.
Yep.
So he has to take a shower, and then we're gonna go out. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go to Target?
Spend money.
Spend money. Okay. I'm not gonna deny that. So what was it we needed at Target? Oh, coffee. We wanted to see if they have the Califia coffee. Oh my god, that looks terrible. So yeah, maybe Michael's. I don't know. You need a new pair of sneakers, but you never want to get them. You need shorts. He needs shorts. And, yeah. So, see you in a little bit when we go out. Oh my god, it's still hot out here. It's 7:30 and it's so hot. You don't want to leave with her outside?
I don't know. Her's old.
She doesn't like to go out the back door anymore. The cat door. She only likes to be let out the front door, so I don't know. It's so hot out here. We're gonna go get a frosted coffee. And what else are we gonna do? Huh?
thought you wanted to go to Michael's.
Michael's?
Yeah, stop filming me.
You look good in that maroon shirt. You look good, honey.
Quiet. Film the cat.
So guys, I got my water here with frozen lemon and limes in there. I don't know why I never thought to put lemons and limes in the freezer, but I watched a video recently of Darlene from A Peek Inside, and she put her lemons and limes in the freezer for her water. Why did I never not think of that? Thanks, Darlene. Okay, so we're gonna end up having a late dinner tonight, and you want to watch some Sneaky Pete again?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Last night we watched, I don't know, like 6 episodes of Sneaky Pete. I believe it was Karina from Life's Little Things. She recommended that. That's a really good show. So we ended up watching 6 episodes in a row of Sneaky Pete. And
Chick-fil-A salad for dinner.
yeah, we had Chick-fil-A salad for dinner, and we're gonna do that again tonight, I guess. What is the deal? Nobody has the... Oh wait, there it is. I see it. Espresso. Yay. And muffin.
Well, buy 2.
Of each? Where did you go? I thought maybe he went down the cereal aisle. Okay guys, we decided to... Kelly. So we decided to just get a salad at Chick-fil-A. It was getting too late. We'll have the barbecue chicken tomorrow. We're gonna watch Sneaky Pete. It's on Prime, Amazon Prime. It's free to watch if you have Amazon Prime. So we're gonna watch that, and I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I was gonna pair it with Sunday's vlog, but I already have enough footage again because I don't know. I'm just going to have to see how this plays out every day. If anybody has any suggestions, let me know. Alright, we're going to have our salad. And we got a frosted coffee. And we're going to eat dinner and a movie. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Enjoy your day.